Where is the best place to stay when you're visiting the theme parks in Orlando? That's a question that a lot of people ask themselves when planning their trips, and the answer may be different depending on who you are and what you're expecting. In last week's video here on the Very Unofficial Travel Guides, I talked about why I usually don't stay on Walt Disney property anymore and went through a list of things I think you need to look for when you're going to be booking your vacation rental on Airbnb or Vrbo. And this week, I thought I'd show you where I usually do stay when I stay on Walt Disney World property, the Coronado Springs Resort. Disney's Coronado Springs Resort fits into the moderate category of resorts here in this sprawling entertainment complex called Walt Disney World in Orlando. And there are many things about Coronado Springs that make this the best of the moderate resorts. I'm Morgan from the Very Unofficial Travel Guides. I've been making YouTube videos for over 15 years of popular and not so popular tourist destinations to give you a very honest, unofficial look at what it's like to be there. And I also wrote a book called Getting Stitches on a Cruise Ship with true stories of weird, crazy things that have happened to me while traveling around the world, like
when I had to get stitches on a cruise ship.
If this video helps you make decisions for your travel plans, maybe you can help me out by ordering a copy of Getting Stitches on a Cruise Ship. It's available on Amazon now. And now let's take a look around the room. This is room 7272 in the Ranchos area. And this is the first impression. I call this the curb appeal. This is what you see when you enter the room. And if you just wanted a quick look, this is pretty much, I guess, all you need to see. But if you want to hear some details about it, then keep watching because, as always, I will be telling you all about it. One of the most important things you'll probably want to know is, yes, the room does have a coffee maker. It is a Keurig machine. They provide you with capsules every day. But at the moment, in January of 2024, housekeeping is only coming every other day, so we already drank all our coffee, and I'm sure you can ask for more, but we didn't. The wine and water and soy milk here, that of course, we bought that. That's not provided. As mentioned, we were here for the New Year's celebration last night. Those are some leftover souvenirs that we got to keep here, and some shelving units on the wall here for your bits and bobs. And to go from the window to the wall here, you can see there is a large countertop space where you can get some work done or just store all your stuff. And there's also a mini fridge here, and by mini I mean a small size and not mini as in Minnie Mouse. Across from that are the two, I think these are queen size beds with really comfortable mattresses and I think pillow top mattress things. Also, a very welcome update here at Coronado Springs. There are several electricity and charging opportunities between both of the beds, which is really nice and something that not every modern cruise ship cabin and hotel offers, but I feel like they really should. One thing that's new for us in comparison to our last stay at Coronado Springs or in a Disney resort is this Hey Disney Alexa thing here. Hey Disney, set an alarm for 9:52 this morning.
Okay, Pua. Remember, your job is to find Hey Hey and politely get him to stop crowing.
So you can set, it's cute. You can set an alarm, you can have it play music for you, you can ask it questions about the parks and stuff like that. It has Disney soundscapes loaded in it. I think this is a really cool little update for the rooms. And of course, if you don't want it to be on, you can just unplug it. Taking a look here at the bathroom situation, this is one of the moderate resort design styles where you have the two washing basins here with really a lot of space to store things, the cubbies, the drawers. Over here, there are also areas for your things. And here is a closet where you can hang things up. There's also an ironing board and iron in there. Wanted to show you what this looks like with these doors closed, so you have a little bit of extra privacy in there if you're traveling with people you don't know that well, or if your family is not a everybody sees each other changing kind of family, then you can close this. And a word about the bathroom. First of all, like so many of the Disney resorts nowadays, they have a motion sensor built into the fan in the bathroom. So as soon as you enter this area, the fan goes on in the bathroom, which is kind of annoying if it's the middle of the night and somebody wants to get up to just pee real quick and other people are sleeping. this fan is gonna go on. Of course, you can turn it off by pressing this button, but that only works for a little bit. And then the next person who comes in here is gonna turn the fan on again. And it has this yucky barn door, pocket door, sliding thing here that doesn't really close necessarily. And I do not prefer this. I would say that this is not Morgan approved. I like a real door, but there are definitely worse situations than this. I would just prefer an actual door. There's more I can tell you about the resort itself, but as far as the room goes, I mean, these are the rooms at Coronado Springs, and most of the moderate level resort rooms at Disney at the moment kind of look more or less like this, but just with different decoration elements. Oh, I guess I can show you our view. The way that the moderate resorts are set up at Disney, there are several buildings around a central lake. Some rooms are on the first floor, some rooms are on the second floor, and here at Coronado Springs, some rooms are on the third floor. And you can pay extra to be guaranteed a water view, pool view, or one of these really great corner rooms where you have windows on both sides of the room. And we just have this standard view of the parking lot, which, you know what, it's fine. Because all of the value and moderate resorts, except for the rooms in the tower here at Coronado Springs, they all have these outdoor walkways. You don't really spend a lot of time with the window wide open anyways, because people are walking by, anybody can look inside, know what I mean? But one thing that makes the Coronado Springs sort of the optimal moderate level resort compared to the others, if you are grown-ups, is none of the other moderate level resorts have as many bars and restaurants as Coronado Springs does. More table service restaurants than the other moderate resorts, has more bars than the other moderate resorts, and it just feels a little bit more grown up. So if you are coming to Disney, want to stay in a moderate level resort and are coming without kids, I would say the Coronado Springs is definitely a preferred resort for us. But, you know, it depends on what you're looking for and what kind of Disney magical experience you want to get. If this video helped you make a decision about your upcoming Disney trip, or if I just entertain you for the last 20 minutes, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription before you go. I'm Morgan from the Very Unofficial Travel Guides, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye-bye. Oh.